Hi there, we're taking a look at your submission for the Chapter 1 Mid-Level, and I'm going to walk you through just some of the steps to help you get started on earning back the points that the system wants to see for this assignment. So when I look at your Excel file, lots of the work is still missing, and I think that is going to gain you back a lot of the points from the system. But let's get started here. So within the My IT Lab system, in the grade book, there's next to the score, there's 3 dots, and we call it the hamburger, right? Because it's like a little hamburger in a bun. Click on that and click View Submissions. And that's the screen that I'm showing you here. It gives you exactly what the system didn't like, and then it tells you exactly what it wants you to fix. So I'm looking at step 3, type 2018-001 in cell A5, and then use autofill. And so I'm going to hop over to your worksheet. In A5, I'm going to type 2018-001 and press enter to enter that content into the cell. And then I'm going to use autofill here to enter the series, and then we see the series fill in for the remainder of the column. So that should be all that's needed for step 3. Okay, step 4, enter a formula in cell C5 that calculates the number of days the first house was on the market, and then copy it to the remainder of the cells. All right, so I'm going to hop over to C5, and then days on the market. This is really a great problem to start with. So we're just going to do math. I'm going to start with the equal sign. I'm going to take date listed minus date sold. Right, so it's just math, and in the math, in Excel, we're always using cell addresses. We will never use numbers. That defeats the purpose of using Excel. If you're going to type in numbers, then you might as well get out your phone and do your math that way. That'll never be acceptable. In Excel, we always have to use the cell addresses. Okay, the other cool thing about Excel, right, we do this little color coding, so it says, just visually, blue minus red looks good to me. I'm going to hit enter, and then look what happens. I get a result, it's 90 days, but it's a negative number. So here's a good little problem, or this is setting us up on purpose. One of the beautiful things about Excel is that we can try something, and if it doesn't work, we can try again. So I'm back up on what cell is that, C5. I'm going to press delete on my keyboard, and I'm going to try again. Equals E5 minus D5. And I encourage you to always select it with your mouse instead of typing it in. That way you won't subject yourself to any typos or just hitting the wrong key on the keyboard. All right, so this time we have blue minus red. I'm going to hit enter. And then I have a positive number. And again, use autofill. The step takes you down for the remainder of the days, so that you can then keep your eyes on the answers that you get to see if they're roughly okay. So if I look at this one, April 15th to April 1st, that's roughly 14 days, that's good. But look at here on Elm Street. I can see that I'm missing data on Elm Street. So now at this stage of the game, I need you to make a choice for me. You might want to just download a clean copy of the file and start from scratch. Otherwise, you're going to have to fix this file. This file that I'm looking at here is the file that was uploaded to the system. So some work is done, some work needs tweaking, but it's not a clean copy. So you might want to just start fresh, download a clean copy like you've never done the assignment. Just go in, say download all, and start from the beginning. It might be easier. That choice is yours. You can make the call on that. Okay, so I've gotten you started. Give it a try. Submit again and let me know how it goes. You can email me at any time for more help if you have any questions, or if you just want to report a great success. All right, thanks.